Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today I have brought to you a warming up session of the poem Time to Believe. Time to Believe is motivational and inspiring poem composed by B.J. Morbitzer. So let's start with warming up session. Come at page 1. Think, choose and fill up the labels with what sunrise symbolizes. We have in a bracket jewelry, art, hope, birth, anger, new opportunities, good manners, inspiration, new achievements, happiness, misery, bright moments, new aims, money, new surprises. Now, students, we have to see which words from here are really symbolizing with sunrise. Sunrise means new hope. Sunrise means good manners. Sunrise means birth, life, positiveness. All those things we have to see and we have to separate accordingly. Those words symbolizes good things, that is sunrise we will consider. Now hope is the word we can really symbolize with sunrise. Most of the positive words that symbolizes sunrise we will use and rest we will skip. Now look at the words here. Jewelry, art, hope, birth, anger, we will skip. New opportunities, good manners, inspiration, new achievements, happiness, misery, we will skip. Negative word. Then, bright moments, new aims, money, new surprises. All these words we will utilize in this box. We will write in these boxes which are provided. Complete the acrostic of believe and faith. Now let's find out what is meant by acrostic. Acrostic, in which first letter of each line spells out a word, message or the alphabet. The word acrostic comes from the French acrostici, from the post-classical Latin. See, now here words are given, beginning letters are given, we have to frame remaining part. Be certain of. First, be certain of. Eager. L, life. I, inspired. E, empower. V, value. E, enthusiastic. Now, be certain of, eager, life, inspired, empowered, value, enthusiastic. Here, next we have for F, friend. A, acceptance. I, ideology. T, trust. H, hope. Friendly acceptance of ideology, trust and hope. For completing the acrostic, you can use a thesaurus. Now, what is this thesaurus? Thesaurus is a dictionary of words with the same or nearly same meanings or synonyms and their opposites or antonyms, such as thesaurus.com, available on the internet, or the www, that is accessed through a web browser and used by entering a query term into a search box on the site. So, generally this thesaurus is a reference book that lists words and that is grouped together according to similarity of meaning, maybe containing synonyms and sometimes antonyms. Margin line questions. First question we have here. What should one know and trust every day? See, look at the first stanza. One should know and trust that every day is a new beginning, that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. This is the answer. Now, move towards second question. What are the two supernatural references in the second stanza? The two supernatural references in the second stanza are to angels and to the man in the moon. Qualities are needed to recover after a shocking event. Answer is there in fourth stanza. What will be the answer, student? See, look at the fourth stanza. Strength and courage are the two qualities which are required to recover after the shocking event. What I said, strength and courage are the two qualities which are required to recover after the shocking event. Next question here, that is the last question from margin line. What kind of attitude does the poet advise everybody to have? See here, the poet advises everyone to have an optimistic attitude, towards life. We must have faith in God and believe that we are not alone. We must have faith that there are wonderful surprises waiting for us when all the dreams will come true. Above all, we must appreciate the biggest gift of God, the life. Now we have here page 3, English workshop. Question 1 on page 3, that is A. Rearrange the letters to make meaningful words occurring in the poem. Here, letters are given in jumbled form. So, we have to make meaningful word which is already there in poem. Look at the letters. First word we have is a miracles. Second, you see all the letters which are jumbled, and when we bring them together, we get meaningful word here, that wisdom. Third, courage. Fourth, surprise. Fifth, beauty. Sixth, dreams. And 7, just guess, value. 8 is wonder. Now let's move to B question from question 1. B. Write words from the poem that describe the following. Sky. Sky is described in second stanza. Just see, before sky, which word is there, student? Stardust. So, stardust is the describing word here. That is describing sky. Next, heart. Before heart, which word is there? Nurturing. In third stanza, nurturing word is there. So, nurturing, heart. Nurturing is describing word. Hand. Aging hand. Next is beginning. New beginning. And fifth is surprises. Wonderful surprises. All these are the describing words. Say why the sky has a magical quality. Here we have to give reasons, students. The sky has a magical quality because we can see angels dancing among the clouds, and the wisdom of the man we believe. B question. Say why even an aging hand has beauty. Even an aging hand has beauty because the aging hands have taught us to love through their experienced and caring teachings of life. C1. Why we should believe that we are strong and courageous. We should believe that we are strong and courageous because failures and disappointments are all a part and parcel of our lives. But the belief that we are strong and courageous will help us rise each time we fall. Make a list of any 6 things that the poet wants us to accept as true. Every day brings new hopes and possibilities. 1. 2. Miracles do happen. 3. Dreams come true. 4th, one must see wisdom in God's plans. 5. Courage and strength lie within us. And 6th, life is a gift. Question 4, page 4. Find from the poem positive qualities to fill up the web. Now we have to fill this web with 5 positive qualities from the poem. First, here wisdom. Courage. Second, innocence. Third, strength. Fourth, and hope. Fifth. So we have got 5 qualities, that is also positive qualities from the poem. Wisdom, courage, innocence, strength and hope. Now question 5 here, students, about personification and epigram. Now personification and epigram we have done in detail in previous lecture. So just if you had any doubt and all, see once again that video lecture which is earlier finished, Poetical Devices, Part 2. Time to Believe, Part 2. You can refer for these questions to understand it in a better form. Now, your question is, find from the poem 3 other examples of epigram. Now, we have 3 other examples from epigram here. That number 1, to believe is to find strength. You know, this epigram closely resembles to a proverb. So, here to believe is to find strength. Second, to believe is to know we are never alone. To believe is to know we are never alone. And third, to believe is to know the value of nurturing heart. Number 6, students, here group activity. And in such situation, we cannot conduct this activity. So in this place, I'll give you writing skill. Here, question number 6A and question number 6B. So A question we have that expand the quotation. Expand the quotation means proverb like. Expand the quotation. Life is one time gift. Expand the quotation. Life is one time gift in about 2 to 3 paragraphs. And next question, student, 6B, developing a story. Developing a story. Dash, dash, dash. And I learn, Learned, every day is a new beginning. Write a story ending with this sentence. Write a story ending with this sentence. It is not hard and fast. You have to complete immediately. You can take your own time and just write on these 2 topics. That's all for today's session, students. Please complete the warming up activities and English workshop in the text itself, as place is provided there. Have a great day. Thank you.